First, I measured out how wide I wanted my tombstone to be and made a mark on either side. I used that measurement to draw a line straight down with the middle with a straight edge, and then I scored it several times before cutting all the way through. Next, I drew some letters in pencil, and then I used a straight edge and a hot foam cutting tool to carve them in. I did this very shallow, and you have to be very slow in order to get the same depth all the way along. You could also use a Dremel or a router for this step, but this is the easiest, fastest tool I had on hand. After I had all the letters carved in, I went to work on the cracks. I drew them on the tombstone in pencil, and then I used this box cutter to cut them out. You want to make a little bit of a triangle starting at the edge of the tombstone and then have the point come in because it kind of looks like a big piece chipped off and then maybe water gone in and split the tombstone to create the crack. Other than that, I mean, you can just do whatever you want. I didn't even really need to draw the lines. You could totally freehand it just with the knife and it would work just fine. Cracks are fairly forgiving. Next, to add some texture, I used a water spray bottle and sprayed big droplets of water all over the tombstone. After I'd covered most of the tombstone in water, I used a heat gun to melt the foam around the water droplets. This creates a rock-like look, and it's very convincing once you get it all painted and it's all the same color. After that, got into painting. Go around the edge first while you can still pick it up, and then after that, just paint the whole thing in a nice flat gray. This worked super well, and it almost immediately started to look like concrete. Next, to make it look old and weathered, we sprayed a mixture of black paint and water on it with a spray bottle. When you do this, you want to do it a lot darker than you think you need to because it dries way lighter. Just get it all in the cracks and in the lettering so you can read it. Thanks for watching. The tombstones are finished, and I think they turned out great. I'll see you in the next video.